Hi, my name is Giovanna Blankford. I am 30 years old. I was introduced to Paul through work. We had this really great workshop, eating better foods, eating whole foods, having a great workout. Super educated and knowledgeable with everything. When Paul decided to tell us that we had to change our diet and make some changes, just doing that, I realized that within the few weeks that I was not getting migraines, and I had suffered from migraines since I was 20. It's really changed me since then, because I've noticed that with processed foods, with the things that I was eating, thinking that I was eating healthier, I actually was hurting my body. We decided to do some workouts together, and he's guided me to better form and teaching me the ways of how to build my body and become stronger. I feel great. I've been working, my workouts are really on point now. I feel strong. I feel like I'm getting my energy back. So I just feel like the start of what we did to now, I just feel like I really feel transformed, and I'm super grateful and appreciative. So thanks, Paul.